In today's video, we're going to learn how to expose your static IP to the internet via port forwarding. This will allow your Raspberry Pi's web server to be accessible from anywhere on the internet. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your device. Once you're in, we can proceed with the necessary steps. Our initial task is to set up an Nginx server on the Raspberry Pi. This will act as our web server. To install Nginx, use apt install command. Once Nginx is installed, it will automatically start running on port 80, which is the default HTTP port. Now, let's test the web server within our local network. Open a browser and enter the local IP address of your Raspberry Pi. You should see the default Nginx welcome page or any content you've added to the server. As you can see, our web server is accessible within the local network using the LAN IP address. However, if we try accessing it using the public IP address, it's currently blocked. But don't worry, we can easily fix this by enabling port forwarding in our router settings. Let's navigate to the router settings to make the necessary changes. In the router settings, look for the option called port forwarding. It may vary depending on your router model and manufacturer. Once you find it, select the HTTP or port 80 option for forwarding. Next, enter the static IP address of your Raspberry Pi. This is the IP we assign to the Pi within the local network. Make sure to save the new settings. By typing the public IP address of our network, we can now access our Raspberry Pi's web server from anywhere in the world.